This app is called Starfall Learn to Read, and it's great for young students. The first thing that you're going to do once you click on the app is you can either choose between short vowels, long vowels, or phonics and chunking. For today, we're just going to start with short vowels. So I'm going to click on the top button, which is for short vowels. Once you click on the short vowels button, it shows a list of all the different vowels and how to properly pronounce them. What we're going to do here is we're going to play a game that helps students to pronounce the short vowels in words. So you're going to click on the little blue box that says cat, and that's how you'll start your game. With the free version, there is only one game that you can play called Word Machines, which will be the button that you click on whenever you're ready to start the game. But at the bottom, you can see that you can become a Starfall member, and if you purchase that membership, then you are allowed access to a bunch of different games that will help students learn their short and long vowels. Right here is the big purple word machine, which will display the words for our game. So after you get on this page, you're going to click the little green on button. After you click the green on button, your first word pops up in the box. As you can see, the first word we have here is man. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pronounce each letter of the word, starting with the M. Just in case you have those students who can't quite pronounce the full word at the beginning, this will break it down for them so they can pronounce each letter correctly and figure out the whole word. Another great thing about this game is in the left corner of the machine there is a little man picture of him, so that can kind of give them cues as to what the word might be. Now we're going to pronounce the next letter of the word, which is an A. The great thing about this game as well is it will highlight each letter that's being pronounced in red so the students know what they're focusing on. And you could also have your students put their finger on each letter as it highlights red so they know exactly what the sound they're focusing on is. And now we'll sound out the last letter of the word, which is the N. Now that we have sounded out each individual letter, the whole word will highlight in red, and we're going to say the word all together now. Man. Now that you have sounded out each individual letter in the word and said the whole word, the picture in the left hand of the screen of what the word is, in this case a man, will slide to the right across the screen and go into the little green box. And after that, the red button and the purple button will appear, and you could press either one of those, but we'll start off by pressing the purple button first. Once you press the purple button, the last letter in the word gets replaced with a new letter to make a whole new word. Now we'll try pressing the red button to see what happens there. As you can see here, once you press the red button, the first letter of the word gets replaced with a new letter. So we've went from man to map to cap. There are many different word combinations that will appear throughout the game, which is awesome because it will really help students to fully grasp the short vowel concept.